Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with subpar engine performance? Well, let me tell you, I've got the solution right here, the Turbo Electronic Actuator A2C14088200 for VVV from Saikou. This top-rated bestseller is a game changer, and I'm excited to dive into the details. With its highly rated reputation, it's no wonder many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, swearing by its effectiveness. The part name, Turbo Electronic Actuator, and part number A2C14088200, might seem like a mouthful, but trust me, it's music to the ears of any VVV engine owner. When you get your hands on this actuator, you'll notice the sturdy build and smooth texture, giving you confidence in its durability. When installed, it produces a satisfying click, indicating a secure fit, and the sound of your engine purring back to life is like music to your ears. One of the key benefits of this actuator is its ability to provide a seamless and efficient boost to your engine, resulting in improved performance and fuel efficiency. You'll feel the difference as you accelerate, with a smoother and more responsive ride. In real-life use cases, this actuator has proven to be a lifesaver, especially during long road trips or when towing heavy loads, where every bit of extra power counts. Compared to other actuators on the market, the Turbo Electronic Actuator A2C14088200 stands out for its ease of installation and reliability. The package includes everything you need, with one Turbo Electronic Actuator A2C14088200, making it a hassle-free experience. So, if you're looking to take your VVV engine to the next level, look no further, this actuator is the way to go, and I highly recommend giving it a try. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.